Hello guys, welcome to the video today, and today we're going through on how to create a website with AI, no coding required. What if I told you you can build a complete professional website in just few minutes without coding, without design skills, without hiring a developer? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a website using Olitt AI step by step. Olitt is an AI-powered website builder that helps you create a full website automatically. It generates the design, structure, and even content, all from simple inputs. Let me show you how it actually works. Now that we are on the website, this is where we have to first of all create a login. If you don't have an account, you just have to sign up. Okay, so once you've actually created the account, we have to come here and create with AI. So there's three buttons like create with AI, create with AI on WordPress, and create a shop. And today we are creating a website, so we will actually focus more on create with AI. So once you've actually clicked on the create with AI, it will lead you to this spot, and this is where you actually answer the questions that the AI will actually pose for you. And the first question is, what's your business called? So basically, let's say let's call this business Novatech Solutions. And the next question is what should visitors feel when landing on the Novatech Solution site? So let's say helping businesses grow online. So the Novatech, that's all the things that they actually do. So let's say helping businesses grow online. So that answer. So you will actually answer all the question depending on what the business you're doing is, so that the AI will actually cook up something specifically for you. Okay, so let me just actually just fill all the questions, then anything that will be more important, I'll actually stop and explain more. So let me just speed run through it. What colors or mode should the Novatech site embrace? So here, if you don't know, you can actually go to ChatGPT so that you can generate the color palette that you want the website to actually have. So let me do the same. Okay, so the color scheme that I actually wanted. Oh yeah, here's the theme, the primary colors, the layouts, and everything. So okay, so once you've actually finished answering all the questions, feeding the AI with more information about your business, and making sure that everything that you want to be included in your website is actually included in these questions that the AI is posing for you. So the more diligently you answer these questions, the better the AI will craft more personal website for you and maybe for your business. Okay, once you've actually finished answering all the questions, it will lead you here. You all set, and you'll just scroll down and hit the create my website. So here you'll decide whether you want a hobby, a starter, depending on your budget, pro, and business. So here we are. Actually, you just have to finish, choose the package that you want, where if you see for the hobby one, you get $1 for 30 days. That's kind of a trial one. And if you see the starter pack, the pro, the more you go higher the package, the more resources you actually have. Once you've actually finished entering your payment details, you just have to continue. Yeah, so after creating, I will just let the AI actually take time to prepare the assets and just formulate your website. You can take a cup of coffee as you wait for the website to actually be created with the AI. Once the AI has actually finished creating the website, it will bring here it's published. So let's just see. Okay, so this is the website that Olitt AI has actually crafted for us. Novatech Solutions. If you see this is a professional website. Let's just scroll past, hit Nairobi Launchpad. Yeah, it's crazy. It's actually amazing. So this is the best way to actually create a website. And if you see, so here you can actually come and edit more, because at the end of the day you'll have to customize it even more to fit your purpose or what you actually need. Yeah, so if you see, it's kind of like responsive. It has a couple of like pages. If you see like the contact side, yeah, you can't actually imagine like it's the AI that actually did this thing. So if you actually want a serious website builder, use Olitt AI, because like it will save you more time, and actually it's affordable, and there's no like crazy coding skills that's needed to have this amazing flawless like website. If you see, like everything is responsive, the services pages, you see like you can build the website, this is the number that you can call, like you see the 30-day support promise. Everything is just like amazing, man. So if you watched this video until this point, thank you for engaging with us. And if you want a website, actually like go to olitt.com and just create the website. It doesn't matter what type of business you're doing, you'll actually need to be online. So take advantage of like these tools, take advantage of like the availability, the affordability, and launch your online journey strong and confidently. So until the next video, bye.